are discussing about call superclass constructor. So first of all, what is super keyword? The super keyword in Java is a reference variable which is used to refer the immediate parent class object. So with the help of super keyword, we can call the parent class member or parent class object. So whenever you create the instance of subclass, an instance of parent class is created implicitly and which is referred by super reference variable. We all know that parent class, all the properties have access by the child class. So with the help of child class object, we can access the parent class property. So when we create the instance of a child class, the instance of the parent class is automatically created, or we can say that it is implicitly created, and which is referred by a super reference variable. Let's discuss about the uses of Java super keyword. Super can be used to refer immediate parent class instance variable. Yes, for parent class instance variable reference, we can also use super keyword. Super can be used to invoke immediate parent class method. For referencing the parent class method, we can also use super keyword. Super can be used to invoke immediate parent class constructor. Not only in member and variables, we can also use super to invoke the parent class constructor. Let's see the code how we can implement the super class constructor. Let's see the example of calling super constructor in Java. First of all, we create a class that is rectangle. It is a parent class, and inside the rectangle we take two variables, that is private double length and private double width. And then we use a constructor, that is default constructor, and assign the value 0, 0 to both of them. And again we take a parameterized constructor and then put the value, that is this dot length is equals to length and this dot width is equals to width. So here we use this keyword to provide the current variable to the double length and double width. And then again we just create a method, that is public double get area, and return length and breadth. So this is the structure of a parent class. Let's create another class, that is box class. So box is a child class and box extends the rectangle, that is parent class. And box has some variable, that is private double height, which hold the height of the box. And inside the box constructor, we call the super. Super is used to call the parent class constructor. So here super is used to call the parent class constructor. And after the super, we just put the value of height equals to 0. And again we call the parameterized box constructor, and in this we just call the super class constructor, that we can say that the parameterized constructor of box class, box parent class, that is parameterized constructor of rectangle class, and then provide the value, that is length and width, to the parameterized constructor, and also put the value this dot height is equals to height, and again call the function, that is create a function, that is public double get volume, and then return get area into height. So, and here we create another class, that is box demo, to test the desired output. So in the box demo, inside the main method, first of all we create the box my box1 is equals to new box, the value that we given to the non-parameterized or the default constructor, and then we write the value, that is volume is equals to my box1 dot get volume. So it will give us the result 0 because both the height and width and length all the things have 0 value initialized. And then we create a parameter, then we call the parameterized constructor by box myBox2 is equals to new box, and then gives the value of all the 3 parameterized value, and then print the value volume myBox2 dot get value. Let's save it and just execute it. We are already in our location, so just write javac box demo.java, and then it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. See, for first, that is default constructor, it uses 0.0 because it is not initialized and it will give the value 0, 0. And for the parameterized constructor, it gives the value 85.399 and so on. So in this way, with the help of dev super keyword, we can call the constructor of a parent class into a child class. So this is the way by which we can call the parent constructor of a parent class into child class with the help of super keyword. Thank you.